All right, salve absentes. Hello, absent ones. We are learning about the perfect tense. These are lesson 12 grammar notes. And I have to keep this to less than 10 minutes because that's how long it records for free. All right, the perfect tense is a past tense. We've already learned one past tense, which is ba. Okay, so we have already done the imperfect tense. Let's contrast them. I'll put imperfect on one side, perfect on the other. How do you translate the imperfect to English? That BA. Bombas, ba. I used to, or was, were. Yep. ED is actually going to go in this column. Perfect tense in Latin is at ED that I've been marking right or writing okay if you did it on quizzes, but I've been encouraging you to do used to or was, because ED is actually perfect. There's two other ways you can do it. You can use a has or have, or if you're insistent, you can use a did.
It's like
Did.
you were eating.
Let's see.
You have eaten.
Correct. You just summarized it. So imperfect is for continuous or unfinished past action. In fact, the word imperfect actually means imperfect, unfinished. The word perfect actually means finished, completely done. You never think about this, but you do it in English all the time, the way Zoe just did. She said was, oh, I should pause, sorry. You were eating your lunch versus you ate your lunch. You were doing your homework versus did your homework. I was finishing that assignment versus finish that assignment. It's done. I used to play baseball when I was little. Way over a period of time. I played baseball yesterday at 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Or you could have done played as, did play. Or I have played. You could have done finished as, you don't have to write down all these. Did finish. Has finished. Oh, almost fit. All right. Let's do a silly example to make it stick in your head. Anyone run cross country? Quintus, or who wants to be the guinea pig who gets struck by lightning? Okay. Quintus was running happily across the field when he was, sorry, I shouldn't do that way, when lightning incinerated him. Which verb is imperfect? Because it's sort of happening, it's over a period of time, it's sort of continuous action, it's a state of affairs. Zoe?
Running.
Was running is imperfect. Which verb is perfect? Because it is completely done. Luna?
Incinerated.
Thank you. You are correct. Sombra es. You are a ghost. All right. How to form in Latin. Bless you. Salus, salus, secunda, tertia salus, quarta salus, quinta salus, sexta salus, septima salus, octava salus, nona salus, decima salus. I don't know the rest, so it's good that you stopped. All right. How to form in Latin. Very logical. You're going to take the third principal part. This is one reason I was reviewing these last week. And you're going to add the perfect endings. Third principal part is that one that ended in avi when we did ore aviatus. So that's the one you're going to use if it's first conjugation. Or you'll use whatever you have, mereo, merere, merui. What are the perfect endings? You're about to learn them. They are 6 endings, just like the OST, MUS, TISNT ones, but used for complete past action. E. Write them down, we'll memorize them in a second. Isti. It. You'll know them in 2 minutes. Imus. Istis. Parent. There are some echoes from present.
Oh my god, it is that.
So
Oh, look at the third, second column.
I don't grade for this long mark, but I just realized when Zoe read them that just for pronunciation, let me give you the proper. Okay. E, isti, it, imus, istis, erant. Let's say them together 3 times. Ready? 1, 2, 3, and
E, istis, is,
3 times.
E,
1, 2, 3, and
E, isti, it, imus, istis, erant.
second time. 1, 2, 3, and
E, isti, it, imus, istis, erant.
third time. 1, 2, 3, and
E, isti, it, imus, istis, erant. Do you have a song? I see a
No, you don't need one. 30 seconds of practice, and we can't even move. That's all 6.
E, isti, it, imus, istis, erant. E, isti, it, imus, istis, erant.
All right. And what's the track? Come on.
E, istis, it, imus, istis, erant.
Close. E, isti, it. Go.
E, isti, it, imus, istis, erant.
We can try more at the end, but I just realized we only have 10 minutes for them to listen to us. So let me do one more example, and then we're done our notes. Let's take one of our current verbs, such as, actually, let's do an old one, because we're used to it. Porto, portare, portavi, portatus. I want to say I carried. How do I say it? Which principal part should I go to? Bless you, salus. I'm going to go to the third principal part, right? Quintus was going to tell us that. Portavi is I carried. Suppose I want to say you carried. Portavisti.
Oh, I get it.
Suppose I want to say he carried.
Oh,
She, it,
why are we
Portavit.
using OSCM?
Because those are for present, imperfect, and future. By shifting to ESD it, you know it's finished. Same reason you use ED. Suppose I want to say we. I'd say portavimus. Suppose I want to say y'all.